Hello, my name is Elia Castranova. My office has represented many clients who have had herniated discs in their neck or in their lower back. There are many cases in which the client comes into the office and they're in a major accident and they suffer a herniated disc, and we send them to a neurosurgeon or an orthopedic surgeon and they end up having surgery. But there are also cases that at first don't meet the eye as far as a serious injury. I have a client who I'll call Robert, who came to my office. He was complaining of neck pain and some back pain and some left shoulder pain. So we sent him to get therapy, and his shoulder pain and his neck pain did not go away after several months. So we sent him to an orthopedic surgeon. The orthopedic surgeon said that I think he should have an epidural injection in his neck to try to get rid of the inflammation. So we did that, but the neck pain did not go away and the shoulder pain didn't go away either. So we sent him for an MRI, and the MRI of the shoulder showed that he had a tear in his shoulder. So he ended up having shoulder surgery, but his neck pain didn't go away. So he ended up having another study on his neck and showed that he had a herniated disc in his cervical spine in the neck. So we got everything together. The client did not want to have surgery at that point, so we sent everything to the insurance company, which happened to be Allstate. Now, the insurance company was very, very cavalier in their attitude, thought that his injuries were not that severe, and only wanted to pay $25,000 at first. But we filed litigation on the case, and we proceeded to almost take it all the way to trial. We ended up finally settling it against the insurance company for mid-six figures, over $300,000. Now, this wouldn't have been possible if we did not send the client to competent expert doctors who knew how to evaluate injuries and who knew how to document what kinds of treatment the client wanted. So even though the client did not need surgery, we were able to get a major recovery because we processed the case the right way and took care of the client. And Robert was very happy. In fact, he sent his wife to us when she was involved in an accident, and his mother-in-law is being represented by our office at the present time, ironically also against Allstate. So if you're getting the runaround by any insurance company, Allstate, State Farm, Farmers, or whatever, then give us a call so that we can collect the compensation that you deserve.